first, then the lower right-hand motor, then the top motor. And then about 36,000 horsepower later, good luck, folks. Take a look at one of the most powerful vehicles ever created for historic drag racing. Created from the fertile mind of Les Shockley, who actually was the first guy to introduce fire in the jet cars. He sort of went overboard on this one. Motor number 1 fired, now motor number 2 getting up to snuff, so to speak. Typically, it will take about 100 to 120 gallons of jet fuel on a 1/4-mile run. So you got problems with the pump, see about what happens here. Les Shockley right on Sky first, then Kent first, Les second. Now top motor fired. Fire Chelsea out. You can see anything I see with Toby is a great part of the song is the 3,000 rejections. Take a look at that there. George Jesse behind the controls, obviously. We'll take a look. Make sure all 2 motors are fired. Let's see where they is. Fire out the stack. Armageddon, about ready to get on loose. Welcome to the world of Nitro Jam, folks. Here it is. This is Kent Shockley.